Hello everyone! Today I'll show you the Hoshin 22X telescope lens. First, we can see the package, a beautiful gift box, and it is easy to carry. Open the package, we can see every part is fixed in gloves to ensure that no collision or damage occurs during transportation. A cleaning cloth. This is instruction book, and you can see it is very detailed and easy for beginners to use. This is the goggle. It can be linked directly to the lens and used as a telescope. This is a universal clip, a tripod, and you can see it's all made by metal, very strong. And the most important 22X telescope lens, the appearance can be said to be very beautiful. Now, I'm going to show you how to assemble these telescope lens. First, add a clip at the phone's camera. Add a dual lens phone is aimed at the main camera, focusing on the center. Tighten the screw on the clamp and you can see that it's very strong no matter how it is shaken. The camera is then rotated into the clip, where it is important to hold the clip with your hand instead of holding the phone. Screw the retaining ring up vertically. Next, stand the tripod upside down, tighten the screw, and then screw it onto the retaining ring. The angle and height of the tripod can be adjusted according to the shooting requirements. So it works. Now let me show you how to focus the lens. After aiming at the scene to be shot, adjust the eyepiece first, illuminate it all around the picture, make the picture more bright. Then adjust the projector lens ring to make the picture clear and beautiful.
Hi, this is Arto from Black Eye. I want to give you a couple of tips how to use the Black Eye lenses. To get those crispy videos and photos, first you need to clean your camera. Second, you need to clean your Black Eye lens from both sides. Now that we are all cleaned up, it's time to mount the lens. There are two ways to do this. The easiest way is to turn around your phone and look through the camera's lens that it's in the center. Easy peasy. The second way is to look through your phone screen that it's in the center. You have to see that there are no blurry corners or black corners in the image, like so.
Hi, my name is John and I'm a manager with Zesso. And today we are going to be taking a look at the Zesso Camera Lens Kit. Zesso is a premium brand in the phone lens industry and proud of their unique lenses kit. Check them out on Amazon under the keywords Zesso Lens. The Zesso Camera Lens Kit comes with a unique waterproof hardcase design, rugged enough to weather any outdoor conditions, and a shackle for easy carrying. The biggest lens kit on the market, 9-in-1 camera lens kit that includes 1 macro lens, 1 ultra-wide angle lens, 1 CPL polarizer filter, 3 lens covers, 1 universal clip, 1 multifunctional tripod, 1 Bluetooth wireless remote control, 1 Zesso luxury protective carrying case, 1 cleaning cloth. The best value for your money and includes everything you need to become a professional cell phone photographer. This kit is the most comprehensive mobile phone camera lens kit on the market. From the 0.45x wide angle lens to the 15x macro lens, the advanced CPL polarizer filter to scatter hazy atmospheric conditions, the specially designed cell phone tripod with pistol grip stabilizer that can be used as a selfie stick, and Bluetooth-ready remote shutter control. Everything from landscape photography to videos and selfies have never been easier or looked better. With a simple clip, each of these lenses will fit to any cell phone in the market. Using the lenses is simple. Screw the wide-angle lens into the macro lens for a more defined picture, or use the macro lens by itself. Or you can use any of these lenses on a 37mm diameter camera. Want to know what is especially cool? You can attach all 3 lenses together and capture amazing photos with high-end quality. Taking beautiful photos and videos is a part of everyday life. Photograph the world around in style, no matter what you're trying to capture, with your very own Zesso Camera Lens Kit.